Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we will explore the exciting world of BingX and how you can maximize your rewards using the BingX bonus code. If you're looking to enhance your trading experience, you've come to the right place. BingX is a leading crypto trading platform known for its user-friendly interface and innovative features. One of the best ways to get started on BingX is by taking advantage of the bonuses offered to users. And that's where the BingX bonus code comes in. By applying the code CHUCHU when you create your account, you unlock exclusive benefits that can significantly boost your trading power. Imagine having access to extra funds that can amplify your trading strategies. This bonus isn't just a small perk, it's an opportunity to explore the market with added confidence. Why is this so important? Well, the crypto market can be volatile, and having an extra cushion can help you navigate those ups and downs. With the bonus funds from using the BingX bonus code, you can experiment with different trading pairs, develop new strategies, and ultimately increase your potential profits. Using the referral code CHUCHU is simple. When signing up, just enter this code in the designated field, and you're all set to enjoy the bonuses that BingX has to offer. But wait, there's more. Not only do you gain access to additional funds, but you also become part of a vibrant trading community. You'll receive updates, tips, and support from fellow traders, helping you to hone your trading skills. In conclusion, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, the BingX platform, combined with the bonus code CHUCHU, can provide you with the tools you need to succeed. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Sign up today using the BingX bonus code and watch your trading journey flourish. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content from Crypto Horizon.